What's happening, everybody? I ain't gonna, I ain't gonna admit the fact that I woke up this morning thinking it was Saturday, and I was just laying in bed. I ain't even get up and go run. Started watching a movie. I went in there, got me a bowl of cereal, sitting down, just eating my cereal. I got a little notification on my phone. I'm like, why CNBC sending stuff out on Saturday? They tripping. Eating, sitting down. I'm sitting at the table. I'm like, wait a minute. The day Friday. Man, when I tell you, I'm like, man, I'm so messed up right now. What's happening, everybody? What's up, Mendez? What's up, Stacks? What's up, Lonnie? What's up, Brittany? Discipline over dollars got your time messed up. Man, I don't know, man. I'm like, man, hey, what's up here to learn and share? Let's get the pleasantries out of the way, man. For anybody pulling up on the replay or anybody that's tapping in right now and don't know who I am, besides being a sleepy old man, I'm Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., man. I get on Al Gore's internet every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I just share my thoughts on the price action, man. I started Tim's Tidbit to just, share everything I knew about investing, trading, stock market, whatever you want to call it. When I done shared all that knowledge with my friends and family, I done spreaded it out to all my cousins. All my cousins done clicked up and we done formed up the Spider Gang. Y'all see the spider right over here. We done formed the Spider Gang and we coming out here, man, and we trying to get all this free information to as many cousins as we can. Since I don't charge for this, the only thing I want you to do for me is click that like button. Where the like button is? Let's find it. It's right around here somewhere. Click that like button down there and then go over there and click that share arrow and share it with a cousin. Share it with one cousin you like and share it with one cousin you don't like. Because we want all the cousins to get this information for the free 99, because I would never, never charge anybody for this information. Anything you want to know about the stock market and how to invest and how to do that, you can learn it for the free 99, man. And I show up every day to show people what a trader would do. Y'all know everybody be like, man, I'm gonna leave my job and I'm gonna become a trader. Well, I'm a trader. That's why I get on the internet and I try to show y'all how a day trader would look at the market. Let's go ahead and look at the market, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't looked at nothing. My charts look just like they looked yesterday, so y'all gonna have to sit through me trying to get my charts together, man. Yeah, you see it. Stacks got a fresh cut. Got a fresh cut. What's up, man? I don't know that name right there. Garrick Grant. Is it Garrick Grant or Jarrett Grant? What's up? Appreciate you for pulling up. That's my first time ever seeing Michelle Tucker. What's up, Michelle Tucker? What's going on, Christopher? Every time I see Christopher name, I think about my son Christopher. Probably because he got Mike Wazowski on the little thing right there. Mike Wazowski. What's up? What's up, Cool It? Blessings running up. Run up these likes. I appreciate that, man. Hit the likes, man. Hit the likes and then share it with a cousin, man. Fresh Fade Friday. What's up, Robinson? What's up, Sonya? Garrick. Okay, then. All right, then. I appreciate you for pulling up, Garrick. Y'all, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. So fresh and so clean. Let me go ahead and share my screen, man. I'm going to share my screen. You got 7 Audible credits. That means my sweetie be going down through them Audible credits, but she gonna listen to a book. I be listening to the same books over and over. I had downloaded Rick Ross' book. I think what it called, Rich for I don't know the name. I ain't even listened to it yet. And again, she was listening to another book. Then she came in the other night and was like, I finished Rick Ross' book. I'm like, you finished it already? I ain't even listened to it yet. I be listening to the same books over and over, man. Since I ain't got my charts together, since I ain't did nothing on my charts, we already looked at Spilene last night and said what we wanted to see happen. So I guess we just got to sit through this, man. Cause we looked at Spilene. Let's pull up Spilene anyway. Spilene, where you at, baby? Here I go. Got the raspy voice this morning. Where you at, baby? Got to get it right. We already went over this last night. We looked at this last night. This stuff giving me a headache. Get that out of there. We looked at this already last night. Looking like we getting ready to open up slightly down. We down, what is that? 40 cent. We down 40 cent right now. Looking like if we stay where we at, we gonna open up slightly down. I really want us to kind of cool off a little bit. I really do. I really want us to cool off a little bit. We running kind of hot. We running kind of hot right now. If we keep blasting, that's cool. We can keep blasting, but we running kind of hot right now. The Bulls, okay, Bulls, we get it. We get it. Y'all in the building. Y'all in the building. But we stretching the rubber band kind of hard. You know what I'm saying? We stretching it kind of hard. I do like how yesterday we came down and we did not leave a fair value gap here. I really like how we did that. That's good, clean price action to me. I'm not mad that we blast up so far yesterday because we came down and ensured that we did not leave a fair value gap because we overlapped this candle. You see what I'm saying? I really like that. I really like that we came back and we retested this area, came down below the breaking structure. We came down below it, retested it, made sure we ain't leave no fair value gap and push. That's what I wish we would have did the day prior, but we left that fair value gap right sitting right next to this potential breaker. Right, we touched that. Close enough for government work, but it's like we left that there. So I wish we would have covered that to keep the price action clean to the upside. You know what I'm saying? I don't like leaving all these gaps everywhere because the market like to come back and get that. You know what I'm saying? The market like to come back and get all these gaps everywhere. So we already talked about SpyLink yesterday. I really want to just kind of cool off. It's Friday. Let's just cool off. Let's not take on no extra risk going into the weekend. Let's not sell it off. Let's just, you know what I'm saying, have a nice small range day. Maybe even come up and fill this gap and then ease back down off of a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Come down. Don't leave no gap here. Push back up. Touch the top of that gap. You know what I'm saying? Just have a small little slow blah blah day. Right? Blah blah day. Now let me go on over here and clean up my charts. Let's look at what we was doing overnight on all three indices. Okay, so for all three, this was the close. See, I ain't even got nothing right, so I don't even know where I'm at. Let me get myself together. Let me get myself together so I know what I'm looking at. I jalapize y'all for not having this together. I promise you I woke up thinking the day was Saturday. I promise you I woke up thinking the day was Saturday. Okay, so from yesterday's close, the strength is in the Dow right now. The strength is in the Dow right now. The Dow is leading strength-wise. After we close, the NQ sold off the heaviest. The Dow barely sold off any that last hour. The NQ pulled the ES down. The NQ got well below the afternoon high. This candle here, this candle I'm hovering over right here, this big green candle is the afternoon high. And after we closed, the NQ sold well below that, right? So well below that, came back down into this breaking structure right here. The ES came down relatively just past it and then kind of consolidated up until the London. And for the London, it started pushing back up toward yesterday's close. The NQ kind of consolidated all the way, but it consolidated slightly down. And then in the London, it started pushing back up, coming back toward yesterday's close also. But the YM, the Dow, it came down to yesterday's London high, which was the high of yesterday for the Dow. So it came to yesterday's high. Oh, the NQ and the ES, they made their high in the afternoon. So they came down to yesterday's high too. So it came down to yesterday's high. It was just further back in the day with the Dow. And then the Dow started pushing. Looked like we hit them with a Judas swing on the Dow at the 4 o'clock count at the London Open. That's what it looked like. I ain't got it on the lower time frame, so I can't tell for sure. But see how it went down, went up. Well, it went up, went down, whichever way it went. You know what I'm saying? Looked like it might have been a Judas swing. Ain't on the lower time frames to verify that. But now as you see, they pushing the Dow. So the Dow is pushing. If they keep pumping money in the Dow, depending on which stocks they go in the Dow, that can very well pull the ES up, right? But if they start dumping tech, that can kind of like pull the ES down. So the ES might be stuck in this weird spot. Spilene might be stuck in this weird spot, stuck between mom and daddy. You know what I'm saying? If the NQ don't get on the same page with the Dow. Cause right now the Dow pushing. The Dow pushing. It's well above, it's well in the green. The ES is just slightly down, and the NQ is down a little bit more than the ES. Let's look. Ain't nothing going on the 15-minute time frame. It's looking real ho hum. We really ain't feeling. It's like we going up, but we ain't really feeling no gaps, man. Let me I could take this stuff off. Take this stuff. I'll set that in a minute. I don't really need that right now. Set that high. All I'm doing right now, I'm just setting my lows and my highs that I'm watching. I'm gonna set yesterday's high. I'm setting yesterday's high right there. Cause see the market closed, the New York market closed at 4, but the break don't come until 7. So I'm just marking that one now. Instead of marking the high from the New York close, it's right there. So I'm just marking the high for the break at 7. I mean at 5. I said at 7. I'm using that as like buy side liquidity. So that still say sell side. I just noticed that. We ain't got to the New York Open yet. I mean, yeah, I said New York Open. I need to set my New York close. 22. It looked like it was kind of a chill night. It just kind of consolidated all night long until it got to the London whip whap. Let's see if it did hit with the Judas. Okay, we got to the London right here. Yep. Hit him with a quick Judas. Yeah, we open here. That's 3 o'clock counter. Boom. We went up. We went down. Then we shot up. That's that old Judas swing. Hit him with it. Ran it. Came down. Made these equal lows. They didn't take them. Look, we may come back and get this. Because on the Judas swing, when we swung down, we didn't take this equal low. So the market, the algos may come back to get that. I'm going to definitely mark that right there. The algo, because they didn't run it. They didn't run it. They came down, looked like they hit it wick for wick. 39.80. Right there, 39.80. I think that was 39.80 if I clicked on the right thing. Yep, 39.80 is the London, is the overnight low right now. And they didn't run that when they hit that Judas swing in the during the London. So the algos might be coming back to look for that. They probably gonna come back and look for that. They probably gonna come back and look for that. What was the New York close? The New York close was 4,275. 4,275. They probably gonna come back and look for that. The buy side liquidity right now is yesterday's high, or the high after the close, at 4,475. 4,475. We are still. Oh, we got. I see another one that's right above that. That's the low from the ninth. It's a low just above, just outside of this fair value gap. This hourly fair value gap we're at the top of. It's another one right there, 4,015.5. If we start getting up. If we start getting up, get out to get something. We can't let the days of our lives pass by. I'm gonna get this out the way since we not coming down here right now. All this junk on my screen getting on my nerve, so I'm gonna delete it for right now, cause I'm just, all these squares is like really working my nerve. That sell side is way down there. Don't really, all this stuff is like, it's so far away right now. I ain't gonna worry about it until we start coming back. I moved this up. What is this? Yesterday. I moved it up to yesterday's low. Right. So I moved that up to yesterday's low, which was 39.30.25. I don't think we'll come back down there today, but I'm just marking it, trying to clean it up the charts a little bit. Don't need this no more. New York open, we ain't got here yet. Man, I ain't did nothing. 12 o'clock. So right here. London. Okay. Let me fix this here. Then I see what y'all talk about in the chizats. Come on, get out of the way. Clicked on the wrong thing. Give me this. All right, London Open was 39.88.75. 39.88.75 for the London Open. New York 12 o'clock Open. 39.84. Yeah, see, it was a real tight range overnight. It was a real tight range overnight. All right, so as you see, the YM still pushing. The YM is still pushing, still going up, kind of dragging the ES up with it. The NQ still consolidating, not doing much. Like I say, I really don't want like a real super takeoff bullish day to day. I really want to start cooling back off, and we can cool off going sideways, or we can cool off pulling back. I'd rather cool off going sideways, you know what I'm saying, to solidify. This where the Bulls want to be, solidify. They stamp in the game and then start over next week, because it's kind of hard to keep that bullish momentum over several weeks, because we done had So right now, the top side, the buy side liquidity I'm looking at is yesterday's high at 4,475. If we get above that and close this fair value gap and don't start pushing back down, The next buy side I'm looking at is 4015.5, right? On the sell side liquidity, um 39, I mean, yeah, 39.80 on the sell side, because we during the London, we once we hit that little Judy swing during the London, we came down and matched it wick for wick. Look like wick for wick. 39.80. 39.80. Yep, we matched it wick for wick. We matched it wick for wick during the London. So that's the downside liquidity I'm looking at. Will it push down that far and come get that IDK? We'll see. If the Dow don't run out of gas, and the NQ just stay consolidating like it is, the ES not gonna come down that far. Cause if the Dow keep pushing and the NQ just stay doing what it's doing, the Dow gonna keep pulling the ES up. But if the NQ start dropping and the Dow start running out of gas, that's gonna pull the ES back down. So if you ain't got a way to keep an eye on all three, just kind of keep an eye on three all day today, because the Dow is the clear leader. They clearly rotating into the Dow, because over the last couple of days, the Dow been kind of laggy. Yep, it got a nice little boost. Yesterday, but if you look at, like, see, it's just been it was like sideways over the last couple of days right there. This right here is from the 19th. This the high, the 19th, right over here. And then if you just go straight across, it ain't really do nothing. It's just been sideways, right? And so, but the NQ been going up, and so the ES been kind of sideways too. The ES been sideways to the upside. The Dow just been sideways, and the NQ been up over the last couple of days. Now they rotating into the Dow. So if the NQ just go sideways, the Dow will pull the ES up. So them ES just got close to the yesterday's close. So those are my up levels I'm looking at, down levels I'm looking at. Y'all already know how I do. If we get a strong closure above or below one of those levels, especially on the hourly level, that's the direction I'm gonna be looking to try to keep trading. But those the levels that I'm watching. Y'all know how I trade. I wait till it get to my level. You know what I'm saying? If it show you a sign that it's trying to get there and you want to scalp something, that's on you, man. What them ends over there for? What y'all talk about in the chat, man? I'm gonna put the link in the chat if anybody want to pull up and ask anything. Oh yeah, we got PMI today. Appreciate that, Cool It. We got PMI at 9:45. Let's see how that affect the market. Right now, the Dow ain't really caring nothing about the PMI numbers, cause it's pushing. The NQ acting like it's chilling, waiting on that. The ES getting drugged by the Dow. So let's see how that play out with the market. I saw the fresh and clean. What's up, Lil Hawk? Good morning, Rhonda Green. How you doing, Rhonda Green? I wish he read his book like 50 did, but I just started Perfect Day to Boss Up on art. Oh yeah, that's it. Perfect Day to Boss Up. Yeah, she said it wasn't in his voice. That's why I ain't been too enthusiastic about going listening to it. We got 6 minutes before the market open up, y'all. The link in the chat if anybody want to pull up and ask something. While we waiting on anybody to pull up, while we waiting to see what transpires in the next couple minutes, we just went back above yesterday's close. Looked like we trying to get to that 4,475 before the market open. We pushing toward it. Oh yeah, I got the clean cut, Lil Hawk. You weren't on here last night. What's up, Otis? What's up, DeAndre? Jamie, Spalene, where you at, baby? Hey, Jamie, was that you on that swing with that little man jumping on it like tattoo and swinging you out there? He, yeah, he, yeah. Buddy just kept, buddy just kept jumping on the thing, man. He kept jumping on it. Let me go. Hey, look here. Oh, but I want to look at. I'm gonna show y'all. I want to look at that knife. Let me go to Instagram. Golly, Instagram. What is that you? Is that you? It was cause somebody commented on one of my things, and I went to their page. I'm like, who is this? I was like, who is this? And I went to the page, and it looked like I saw that same picture. Now watch, I can't find it. Watch, I can't find it. I saw that same picture on the little pit, that picture right there, Lady Land, and I was like, oh, I know who that is. Watch, I can't find it. I just looked at it. This gonna drive me crazy now. Jada Trader. I just looked at it this morning. Man, I can't find it. Man, I can't find it. Man, I wish I could find it so I could show y'all that little man. He jumping on that thing, swinging that swing. That thing had me crying. That thing had me crying with that little man jumping on that swing. I sent all this out this morning. It should have been right here. Jada Trader, Nigel. Man, I can't find it, man. Jamie Harris. Let me search. Let me do a search to see if I can find that. Jamie Harris. Watch it not pull up. I don't see the picture. Man, I want to show you. What's up, Red? American Express earnings supposedly while Dow running. Okay, then. I figured it was something called a Dow moving. American Express had good earnings. SMT divergence. I ain't gonna hold you. I really ain't been able to put my finger on how to use the SMT divergence. I be seeing ICT talk about it. I just be going to look to see who leading. I still ain't tested that enough to figure out how to really apply it. What's up, Sanjay? If we continue and break 4 to 10, we're gonna take off. Well, let's take off then. The Bulls really stamping they Mendez, what that N for? Mendez, why you put that N? Why you put another N on there? Are your kids playing with the keyboard, Mendez? Why you keep putting them N's on there? Composite number. The market about to open up in 2 minutes. Check out the new Confessions of an Economic Hitman. Okay then. I got 7 credits. I'm gonna check that out. No, let me see. What you Oh, I spelled it wrong. Jaimie. What's your IG? What's your IG thing? What's your IG name? Oh, she got a blue check. What's your IG name, Jamie? What's your IG name so I can look at it? Man, it was. I just looked at the thing, man, cause it had the same picture of the lady. It said something about just Jamie, cause it said something about like invest with Terry alumni or something like that. Is that you? Just Jamie. Right there. Right there. Right. Yep, that's you. Where it's at? Is it this one right here? She was on the, in the little, yeet. Watch the little man. Look at, yeet. When it come at, watch him jump on there again. Yeet. I don't know who that is. Yeet. Come here, boy. I said, why that little dude keep jumping on there like that, man? Go there. Yeet. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. I was crying. Man, that's so funny to me. That is so funny to me. I don't know what. Hey, man, the market just opened up. Hey, the market just opened up. We took the buy side liquidity at 4,475. The Dow still pushing. The Dow still pushing. Let me see what the Dow hitting. I can't even see what the Dow hit. Let me change my time frame real quick. It ain't showing me nothing on the 4. I ain't got enough days loaded. Okay. The Dow is getting close to the top of a daily fair value gap right now. The NQ is closed yesterday right at the top of a daily fair value gap. The ES right now is getting close to the top of a daily fair value gap and an hourly. Yeah, so this hourly fair value gap that we got marked out right there, that's real close to the top of a daily also. So we taking that the 60-minute candle. We got 28 minutes left on the 60-minute candle. We've gotten north. We've taken out yesterday's high, and it's kind of holding relative strong. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do up here. I may or may not trade, man. I may or may not trade. He said that looked like a good time. It looked like they were swinging up over like some kind of big old cliff or something. That's what it looked like. They were swinging above. My heart can't take that. My heart can't take that. Was that you, Jamie? Was that you on that swing? That thing, my heart can't take that, man. It looked like they was up over a cliff or something, man. Looked like they was over a cliff. Look, you see them, because you can see them houses down there. See like them houses. Look at them people down there, man. That's a cliff they over. Look at Buddy on there. Look at he getting ready to say, yeet. Look at him. Look at the face. Look at the face. Look at he finna say, yeet. No, wait a minute. And see that? Look at that, man. Look at them people down there. Those are palm trees. You know how tall a palm tree is, man? That is up in no, sir. No, sir. I can't do it. My heart can't take that. Is that a zip line over there? Is that a zip line? Can you blow? Oh, I can't blow it up. Is that a zip line? Man, no, sir. No, sir. My heart can't take it. My heart can't take. Look how far. Oh, no, I'm getting vertigo just looking at this. No, sir. Can't do it. Can't do it. Get off my page. Giving me a headache. Hey, look here, man. Hey, hey, yeah, time. Hey, what's up, Michael? Wait, hey, the market ain't really do nothing. It's all right if you woke up late. It really ain't do nothing, man. It's see, it's starting to slow down now. My first buy side liquidity target was yesterday's high. That we made after the close at 4,475. We took that immediately. The Dow was the strength leader for the overnight. These daily candles. Let me switch it back to the hourly. The Dow was the strength leader for the overnight. It pushed up and came like real close to the top of a fair value. Let's see if it hit that daily fair value gap. Let me go back to daily real quick. It came up, fell just short of that daily fair value gap. Right there. Start pushing back down. Taking a little cool off break because it's been running up. It's been running up since 4 o'clock. So it's kind of cooling off. Let's see if it come all the way back down. Like the other day when the NQ was running hot like this right here, it ran up to a certain point. Then it sold back off heavy with the other two indices. Let's see if the Dow sell off heavy. We wicking down real good off of that after taking that liquidity. Now that we done ran that liquidity, let's see if we go deliver it below these lows. Remember the 39.80 that I was talking about? Now that we done ran that, let's see if we come back and deliver it below these lows right here. If we come down and deliver it below them lows, I'll be happy with that move. I'll be happy with that move. That'll be nice, clean price action. You know what I'm saying? Oh, looking over here, I don't see no 60-minute fair value gaps right there. They kept it real clean. Yesterday. We took liquidity there, came down, delivered it up under these lows, came all the way down to this down close candle right here. Then we pushed it back up, and we kept it real clean on the 60-minute. There's no 60-minute fair value gaps. Let's drop down to 15-minute. We do got a 15-minute right there. We touched it. So we got a 15-minute right there. We came down and touched it here. Got like 50% of it, and then pushed off and left it. It's a little bit more spaced out on the 15-minute, but the way it was running, it wanted to go. Cause see the gas right here, then it took a pause right here, then it gassed again, and when we pulled back, we respected this down close candle. Shout out ICT, cause he be talking about how when a move is real, the opposite color candles will support that move. And see how we blast off right here, right? And when we made a red candle right there for a pause, taking a break. I'm tired. Let me get some Gatorade. Now let's get it. And when it took off again, when it pulled back, the market only pulled back to that opposite color candle and then took off again, right? ICT, I learned that from him when he was talking about when a trend is for real like that, the opposite color candles will support that trend. And you can see how it took off, and then the opposite color candle supported it there before it took off again. It's a lot cleaner on the hourly than on the 15-minute, but on the 15-minute, you can see how that red candle supported the trend. So, yeah, we might not. I doubt if we're gonna be coming back down here. I really would like to see us come down here and get this sell side liquidity up under all of this consolidation right there. That's a whole lot of consolidation to not have run on this Judas swing right here. I really don't like that. I really don't like that. Ain't efficient. That ain't efficient delivery of the cause a Judas swing usually takes out both sides. You know what I'm saying? It usually takes out both sides. The Judas swing will take out the liquidity, come down, take out the liquidity, then run. Cause that, you know what I'm saying? It take out the liquidity and then lead you the wrong way. That's why he called it a Judas swing. So it run the stops, come down, run the stops, and then go the way it's supposed to. It clear both sides of the field. I think of it as like resetting the board. You know what I'm saying? That's why a lot of times y'all hear me say, oh, we just reset the board. You know what I'm saying? Because they run stops, and then go the direction they want to go. And like right now, they just came down below this swing low right here. That I don't like that. Because they ain't even come down to this little fair value gap right here on the 15-minute. Yeah, I don't like how they trading right now, man. I don't like how they trading right now. Hey, let's see. Yeah, it looks like it'll be short today. Might just do one contract. Yeah, I don't think I'm I appreciate you here to learn and share. I don't think I'm gonna partake today, man. I'm up 11% on the week. I ain't gonna be greedy, man. 11% on the week is phenomenal, especially since I only took 2 trades and I lost one of those. I took 2 trades, lost one, won one, and I'm up 11% on the week. So I'm chilling, man. I ain't gonna be greedy. I ain't gonna get nothing back, man. I ain't gonna get nothing back. I ain't gonna get nothing back. So I'm just gonna watch. As a matter of fact, I think I saw Stock Baby said he had gonna have an open trade room today. I might pull up on Stock Baby, man. I think he said he got an open trade room today. Why this not typing? I think he said he got an open trade room today. I might pull up on him. I put the short. The Stock Baby. I think he said he had an open trade room today.
Hey family, Stock Baby here. Wanna know the secrets how we turn $100 into $1,000?
Was it on his story? Oh, there it is. Friday 0-day free trade. July 22nd. Yeah. July 22nd. Come join us at 9:30. Yeah. I think I'll pull up on Stock. Do he got a link in his bio? I think I might pull up on him. That ain't the link. Where the link at? Register now. Open house trade. Come join us. I don't know the link at, man. It say link in the bio. That's join. Oh, DM Stock Baby for the entry. It's a DM Stock Baby for the entry. Oh, I got to do all this right here. All right, man. I appreciate y'all for pulling up. I'm gonna go pull up on Stock Baby. Hey, y'all pull up tonight at 6:30. We gonna do the weekly wrap up. Come prepared to tell how your week was, good, bad, or indifferent. Come prepared. Share it with a cousin. Tell a cousin you like. Tell a cousin you don't like. Tell them to put up. Hey, I don't know. I lost my train of thought. Y'all trade safe. I ain't gonna trade today. I'm just gonna chill out. I ain't giving nothing back. I'm gonna be disciplined. I will watch the market until about 11 o'clock to see how the price action moving. See y'all tonight at 6:30 to do the weekly wrap up, man. I appreciate y'all. Hit the like button and hit the share button. Share with a cousin, man. See y'all tonight. Gone.